So now we are going to be working on variables. This is our first program, and now we're going to create our second program. We're going to call it variables.py. Hopefully I spelled that right. We're going to press enter, and this is our new program. So what is a variable? Python, first of all, is a completely object-oriented language. You don't need to declare the variable when you're using them, or even declare their type. Every variable in Python is an object. Python has no command for declaring your variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. A variable can have a short name like A or B, or something more descriptive like car name, house name, first name, last name. We're going to go through some of the rules of writing a variable. The first thing is a variable name must start with a letter or an underscore. So you can write a letter or A equals, let's say 1. Or you can have something like first underscore name equals, I'll call it Johnny. So A here is a variable, and first name is also a variable. The second, a variable name cannot start with a number. So you cannot start a variable name with a number like 1, 1, 2, 3 equals, 1, Ben equals 2, 3. As you can see, the IDE won't even let me do it. So you cannot start a variable with a number. Next thing is, a variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscores. So basically, A to Z, you can write A to Z. A to Z numbers, you can have 1, 0, 9, basically all the numbers, and an underscore. So basically all the special character at, like something like at, this won't work inside a variable. And the variable name are also case sensitive. You cannot, basically A equals 1, 2, 3, and A equals 1, 2, 3 is completely different. They're not the same thing. So that means it's case sensitive. So if you write something like, let's say age equals 23, and then something like A equals 23, and something like A equals 23. All of these are different variables because Python is case sensitive. So you gotta make sure when you write your variables that they're the same, or else you're just writing a new variable. So let's create a couple of variables here to practice a variable. So I'm gonna create another variable called Mario Bro. Mario 2 Bro. This here works too. Mario 2 Bro equals quote Luigi and Mario. It's me Mario. So the next one here, we're going to evil guy equals Bowser. What's his name? Bowser. I believe his name is Bowser. And then the next thing we're going to do is, since now we know how to print because of our first Hello World program, we're going to print some of the names. So print. So let's print. Let's copy here and paste it right here. Not the whole name, just the variable itself. So we're going to copy or paste the variable here, and then we're going to run our program. And over here, as you can see, it's displaying Johnny. So that's how you do it. You can also print the different ages. We can print almost everything. So you go ahead and practice how to print your variables. So whatever you write in here, you gotta make sure it's either it's a number or it has these two quotes, or else you will have an error. So go ahead and practice, and I'll see you guys on the next video.